Okay, this time we're going to be solving multi-step equations using the distributive property. We have negative 8 times 2x minus 1 equals 36. So the first thing we're going to do is check to see if 36 is divisible by negative 8 an even number of times. 36 is not divisible by 8 an even number of times. It goes 4 plus a little bit. So because of that, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply negative 8 times 2x and negative 8 times negative 1. I'll show you what we'll do if it does go an even number of times in the next slide. Okay? But this time we're going to go negative 8 times positive 2x, and it gives us negative 16x. Then we go negative 8 times negative 1, and it gives us positive 8 equals 36. And now we've just got a regular old algebraic equation that we need to solve. We've got this plus 8 that we need to get rid of, so we write a minus 8 because minus 8 is the opposite of positive 8. Anything that we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side of the equation, so we put minus 8 on the other side as well. Draw your line. Negative 16x comes down because there's nothing below it. The 8 and the negative 8 make 0, so we don't write anything. And 36 minus 8 is equal to 28. Now, we need to isolate the variable even further. We need to get it by itself, so we need to get rid of this negative 16. The negative 16 right now is multiplying by the x. So the opposite of multiplying by negative 16 is dividing by negative 16. So on both sides of the equation, we divide by negative 16. The negative 16 divided by negative 16 cancels out because it becomes a 1, and 1x, we don't write the 1, it is understood. And then 28 divided by 16. It's just going to be 28 divided by 16, except we can reduce it. Both of them are divisible by 4. So we go 28 divided by 4 and we get 7. 16 divided by 4 is 4, and our answer is negative. So we get x equals negative 7 over 4. Okay, this time we have negative 9 times 2x minus 1 equals 36. So this time what we're going to do, again, is we're going to check, does the 9 go into the 36 an even number of times? Well, it does. 36 divided by 9 is 4, exactly. So what we'll do this time is we'll divide both sides by negative 9. Because what is that negative 9 doing right now? It says negative 9 times 2x minus 1. So we can divide the negative 9. Those cancel each other out because they become a 1, and the 1 is understood. So we go 2x minus 1 equals, and 36 divided by 9 is negative 4. Then we have to do plus 1 because the opposite of minus 1 is plus 1 on both sides of the equation. That gives us 2x equals, you have a minus 4 and a positive 1. So you have different signs, so you're going to get the difference or subtract the two numbers. 4 minus 1 is 3, and you keep the sign of the larger number. In this case, that's the 4, and it's negative. Now we've got 2x equals negative 3. The opposite of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. And these cancel out because they become a 1, and x equals negative 3 halves. So sometimes you can have an alternate way of doing it if the number is divisible by an exact number of times.